Hello and welcome to Hannover Messe 2019 and the biggest ever booth in Igus history. And that's why we have a lot to see, that's why we start right away. The color doesn't look like Igus, but it is from Igus, the online marketplace for lean robotics, rbtx.com. Components from various suppliers you can combine easily on that platform and combine them to low-cost robotics. Try it out yourself. Another very important building block in our low-cost robotics is our Delta robots. This here you can assemble in 30 minutes yourself, and it has, compared to that one, a 10 times bigger workspace diameter, 660 times 180 millimeters, and 30 picks per minute. And this here is my new friend RoboLink DP, a robot arm for 4 or 5 axes that has a 790 millimeter outreach and a payload of 30 Newton. Since years you know already our dry-lin roller bearing program, and now brand new we have the whole program also with Zyros ball bearings, and this halves the coefficient of friction. You need a very cost-effective and space-saving Econ tooth belt axis? Here it is for you. ZLN 40, 27 millimeter height and delivery in 2 to 3 days. This here is the new slewing ring PRT04. It saves you 60% of weight to the predecessor. It is only 50% of height and it saves you 20% of cost, and you have more freedom in design. Loading 7 metric tons of weight on a plastic bearing, is that possible? Yes, it is, with our heavy-duty bearing Q2E, where you can load up to 130 megapascal of dynamic load. And you can measure with one of our iSense modules the lifetime, online or offline. Igus is actually now member of the Profinet user organization and certified supplier by this organization for all our 9 CF bus Profinet cables. By the way, still our cables are 36 months guarantee because our extensive testing. For example, the CF bus 060 with 59 million cycles. Thanks to the new and innovative new braided shield, the CF Robot 8 Plus offers a new torsion angle of ± 360 degrees per meter. And this for Profibus Profinet Cut 5E with guarantee. Nearly daily we are increasing the variety of our fully harnessed data, drive and bus cables that you all find also online. More than 4,600 different varieties now that you can configure online. And additionally, we have also brought out this brochure with Ethernet and Profinet cables that are also completely harnessed, also with molded connectors. Our energy chain system eSkin you know already for clean room applications, for example the semicon industry. Now, for very restricted space areas, we have developed eSkin Flat. This product is flexible in the length and also flexible in the width, so you can add cables or remove them if you don't need them anymore. And now a highlight for all of you that are on the rush, our new e-chain system E4Q. Extremely stable, lightweight and very easy for assembly. This crossbar, for example, I can fit into the chain while talking to you with one hand. These were just a few of 120 new products from this year's Hannover Messe 2019. Visit us online or visit the Igus factory now also in virtual reality.